The one thing that you should be really asking yourself is, are you up for a challenge? Because if you are, then SP really is going to be the place for you. Hey there, I'm Alice, the founder of LineType. My journey in design and business began at Singapore Polytechnic, where I pursued interior design because I saw it was a way to create impactful, valuable solutions for the people. The environment at SP was incredibly hands-on. Projects, internship, constant critique built my technical abilities and soft skills. They taught me resilience, how to handle rejection, and transform criticism into creative solutions. When faced with, it can't be done, or no, this isn't right, I'm now not afraid to inquire and collaborate on finding solutions to meet the needs of my clients. During my second year, I hit a slump. That was when I realized my true passion lay in solving problems within the business realm. And this prompted me to enroll in business diploma at night, which then eventually led me to make a bold decision to pursue a degree in business administration at NUS. I remember my lecturers, Cindy and Dylan, being incredibly supportive during my challenging times. Cindy asked me how badly I wanted to switch to business, and it was her guidance that helped me see through my obstacles. If you truly want it that badly, then whatever obstacles you're facing right now should pale in comparison to your determination. Now, this impactful statement has struck me ever since, and every time I meet a challenge, I'll remember what she said. Being accepted in the sport, the SP Outstanding Talent Program, and being awarded a scholarship has reaffirmed for me the importance of hard work and consistency. My academic path wasn't straightforward. I started out as a normal technical student in secondary school and had to work my way up to normal academic and eventually the Polytechnic Foundation program. Being a part of sport opened doors to opportunities and events I wouldn't have otherwise considered or imagined, like YMAC and various leadership workshops. I'm incredibly grateful for the friendship that I have forged and the mentorship from figures like Miss Pearl, who have guided me every step of the way. Competing in design competitions like the Golden Lotus International Design Competition and Singapore Interior Design Award was exhilarating. Winning these awards in this competition showed me the importance of understanding and responding to the community needs, an approach I have passionately carried into my work at LineType. By embracing community feedback, we ensure our designs meet real-world demand, reflecting the proactive and responsive approach I honed during my time at SP. LineType started from an idea during a meal at NUS. It was the innovative spirit and opportunity-driven mindset nurtured at SP that really propelled it forward. Even as an SP graduate, Zijie, the then interior design course chair, introduced me to Pollinate, an incubator designed to support budding entrepreneurs with resources and mentorship. Thanks to the support of SP, my co-founder and I won the SG Founder Startup Grant of 50K. We were able to launch effectively and begin to make a real impact in the design industry. I think moving forward, I want to redesign the boundaries of spatial design. Now, my goal is to continue creating innovative solutions that turn visionary ideas into reality. It's definitely a thrilling challenge that ties me back to my days at SP.